Hi guys, it's Nanda with Nanda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have two projects to share with you guys. It's my Dollar Tree Christmas frame decor. I really love it, the way they turn out. So I'm going to start with this one right here, which have the red truck and the Christmas tree. So as you can see in here, I removed the glass from here. And then I kept this part of the frame and the cardboard piece that came with the frame. First thing, what I did, I chose the scrapbook paper to go with this frame. So I chose this red and white striped paper, and then I glued the 3 pieces of paper. So after I got done, glued the pieces of paper in here on the back of the part of this frame, I glued this whole entire thing on a piece of cardboard. And then after that, I start adding the embellishment in here on the frame. So as you can see, I have the red truck and the Christmas tree, and this Merry Christmas sign came with the red truck, but I disconnected from here to glue over here on the top. Then I added 4 pieces of gemstones, and in here is one of my Christmas cardboard stocking. It really turned out so cute. On my previous video, I showed you guys how to make a Christmas cardboard stocking wall decor. So I made this as the same way. So as you can see in here, I have 2 cardboard stocking. So I cut this piece over here, and then I glue them together. So that's why it's thick. And then I covered the cardboard stocking with a red cardstock and a white cardstock. Then I added the holly berries in here. And then I decided to edit gemstones in these parts in here. And right here on the top, I got this from Target. So this ribbon I got from Dollar Tree. And then I made the bow in here to go with the frame. So as you can see in here is the Dollar Tree Christmas decor. So there is the peace, joy, and love. But I took it out the piece that came with it, which is this one in here. And then I added these 2 branches in here and these flowers in here. And then I decided to go with the green gemstones. And in here on the top, I did the same thing as I did with the other frame. So this is the first time that I create a Christmas frame decor from Dollar Tree, and I am really in love with it. If you do enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to comment down below if you enjoy to decorate your Christmas decor with gemstones. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos if you're not yet subscribed. I would love to have you here. Don't forget to ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!